Hey traders, hope everyone's having a fantastic weekend. It is nearly 4 o'clock in the afternoon here in Perth on Saturday. I worked this morning. I would have liked to do this video at work, but it actually was a little bit busier than I thought. I did bring the laptop in to do some analysis, but it didn't work out. What I do want to do here, I won't do an end of month video. I will save that for next week, even though trading wise it's going to be pretty much no more trades until, I mean, the Aussie dollar might close out hitting the stop loss early next week. We'll see though. We'll see. This is the Aussie yen, and I got in here. There are two positions, an entry at 86.89 and then a second entry at 87.134. Execution's pretty solid on those as well, and stop losses at 85.89 and 86.112, and that's how they're sort of sitting. So risk is a little bit less because the stop losses aren't as wide as the Aussie dollar. So that's just the nature of the beast though. But that's how that's looking. Aussie dollar faded out a little bit, nothing too dramatic really. I mean, the move was made earlier in the session on Friday. Actually, no, earlier on the Thursday. So Thursday night is when this sort of happened. I mean, I'm not going to dwell on that too much. It actually will be a negative month as well. So we're looking, I think, my last trade. And it was a buy order that didn't get triggered. It was that was hit on the 5th of December 24, and the last trade was the USD yen, and that closed out on the 3rd of November, and that was the 1st of November. So I've only had the one trade close so far this month. I mean, the Aussie dollar isn't looking super healthy, but we'll see. I mean, it is floating around 77 cents. So, I mean, I want to look at other pairs, but I'm at full risk currently. But just for educational purposes, we'll see how the New Zealand dollar is looking. New Zealand dollar is a little bit more bullish. With the tax reforms, the company tax reforms, sorry, that have been pushed through in the US, it should be interesting to see how markets react to that. Euro 4 hour. Not really good at all. Not good. And not really super great either. So what did I miss? Did I look at the pound? I think I did. I apologize if, yeah, okay, so that looks like it's squeezing a little bit and could pop, but we'll see on this. The news out of America isn't quite, showing in the charts yet. And price action wise, no, nothing really looking good. New Zealand dollar is out of the bunch though, is better than the rest, but it's not tradable currently. But there's that resistance level there, and if it gets through that, on the Tuesday maybe pops off the trend line, could have a trade. So potentially a New Zealand dollar buy, but we'll see. Still a bit of work to do. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Weekly wrap up. That's how it's looking. I'm going to be showing my good and the bad as well. So nature of trend trading, can't always get it right, and with the Aussie dollar, it's looking like that is going to be a losing trade as well. But I won't close it out. I'll let it do its thing. But my call will probably be Tuesday night that's going to hit the stop loss up at 77,499. Anyway, guys, bye for now. Next video will be a weekly stock trading wrap up. Bye.